Hello Pula members, very good afternoon and thank you Pula team, especially thanks to Sonia for organizing this beautiful online sessions for everybody at their comfort considering the pandemic. So I'm very grateful to Pula team who's working so hard day and night with the able leadership of Sonia Agarwal Konjeti and giving opportunity for businesswomen like us to interact with the customers, to interact with our Pula fellow friends. All right. So जैसे आपको अनाउंस किया गया था, आज का टॉपिक है knowledge about the courses that we offer. Okay. So I have tried to tweak it a little bit. It's not just about the courses what we offer, but there are a lot of questions what people come up with. Like they have questions related to courses, कौन सा course choose करें, करियर कैसे बनाए, कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे डेवलप करें, हाउ टू एक्सपांड द बिजनेस, यू नो देयर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. तो आई हैव शॉर्टलिस्टेड फ्यू क्वेश्चंस आज के लाइव के लिए बिकॉज वी जस्ट हैव हाफ एन आवर टाइम. देयर आर मोर क्वेश्चंस विच आर आंसर्ड ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल which is Kalyani Umrani Education. You can follow that YouTube channel which gives a clarity on lot of personal skin and hair treatments also, salon treatments also, एंड करियर कोर्सेज के बारे में भी काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस बनाए गए हैं. सिडेस्को मेकअप क्या है, ब्यूटिशियंस के कोर्सेज कौन से हैं. सो यू कैन फॉलो माय चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब विच इज़ कल्याणी उमरानी एजुकेशन. सो आई वेलकम यू ऑल वंस अगेन एंड आई स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज़ बाय एन इंजीनियर. एक इंजीनियर लड़की है जिन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग पास आउट करने के बाद उनकी शादी हुई है. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम इन द रॉन्ग प्रोफेशन when I was doing engineering and I had no interest, but because of the peer pressure और family के pressure के वजह से मुझे engineering complete करना पड़ा. But now I want to do something of my own. I'm married. There are certain monetary challenges right now because of pandemic. I want to come into beauty field, but please guide me how. This is the question by one engineer. I won't name, but these are the real life questions by students who come, या people who face the such questions. All right. So my first answer to this engineer friend is her biggest constraint is the budget, okay, and time. See, engineering करने के लिए आपने 5 साल दिए हैं, okay, sometimes more than that. If you have done masters or you tried some diploma before and then you went for the degree, so you have invested quite a lot of time, money and energy. And I think time is more important factor than money. All right. So first understand, अगर आपके एक इंजीनियरिंग फुल प्रूफ करियर के लिए 5 साल देने पड़ते हैं तो छोटा सा ब्यूटी कोर्स आप करोगे. She has mentioned the budget also, like she wants to do the course between 25 to 30,000. End of the day जब आप कोर्स करके बाहर निकलते हो अकेडमी से, you won't earn that much जितना आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि एक ब्यूटी सैलून में काम में आपको मिलेगा. ओके, इट इज़ वेरी इक्वली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द इनकम, लाइक योर इनकम इज वेरी मच इक्वली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द नॉलेज व्हाट यू गेन. सो आपका नॉलेज एक बहुत बेसिक है, 2-3 महीने के कोर्स का है. आई डोंट नो वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर द कोर्स, बट 2-3 months यू कैन जस्ट कंप्लीट द प्रैक्टिकल. यू एटलीस्ट नीड 4 to 5 months टू गो विद द थियोरी. एंड आपको अगर एक अच्छा इनकम चाहिए तो यू नीड टू गो फॉर अ कंप्लीट डिप्लोमा वेर इन यू आइदर लर्न इन स्किन or either you learn in hair या in makeup and then you can choose your field. But this is a very wrong understanding कि मैं एक छोटा सा कोर्स कर दूँ और मैं सैलून खोलूँ या मुझे कोई जॉब मिल जाए. जी नहीं, आपका जितना एजुकेशन है वही एजुकेशन पे बेस्ड, आपके स्किल पे बेस्ड आपको सैलरी मिलेगी. And I don't think so for a 25-30,000 rupees course, which is a very basic course, for an engineer like you would be happy getting 8-10,000 of rupees in a like end of every month. So first upgrade your skills अच्छे से, जल्दी मत करो. जैसे आपने इंजीनियरिंग के लिए इतना टाइम दिया है, डेफिनेटली किसी भी फील्ड, ये तो स्किल इंडस्ट्री है, यू नीड टू गिव टाइम. सो दिस इज माई आंसर टू द इंजिनियर फ्रेंड. देन एक क्वेश्चन आहे, सिडेस्को केल्यानंतर काय करियर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज असतील. आई विल ट्रांसलेट इट इन हिंदी. सिडेस्को करने के बाद करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है. फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज सिडेस्को. सो सिडेस्को इज कमिटी इंटरनेशनल एस्थेटिक, ऐसे उनका फुल फॉर्म है. इट हेल्स फ्रॉम स्विट्जरलैंड. ज़ुरिक में उनका मेन ऑफिस है। ओके, ये लोग क्या कोर्सेज ऑफर करते हैं? सिडेस्को ऑफर करते हैं सारे ब्यूटी के कोर्सेज। सिडेस्को डजंट ऑफर एनी काइंड ऑफ हेयर कट्स, कलर, केमिकल कोर्सेज। सिडेस्को विल ऑलवेज ऑफर सिडेस्को मेकअप, सिडेस्को ब्यूटी, सिडेस्को स्पा, अरोमा थेरेपी, ऐसे सारे कोर्सेज सिडेस्को ऑफर करता है। ओके, सो today's session is all about talking about your products and services. So we are a Sidesco international school and we offer all Sidesco courses. Okay, to reduce the ambiguity we give the entire syllabus printed in your hand, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग आते हैं and they're very happy to see our brochure which is very professionally done. All right, it talks about the entire syllabus, what all offerings are. This is the Sidesco syllabus. This is not designed by us. This is by the international जो Sidesco body है उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया है. It talks about the academy infrastructure and all. So people are happy to receive this brochure. Then once you join Sidesco या any international course जो आप जिस कंट्री में जाना चाहते हैं, पहले चेक कीजिए कि वो कंट्री में Sidesco affiliate स्टूडेंट्स को या लोगों को जॉब मिलती है. All right. Now there is one more similar question ahead where the girl, I'll just add that question to this question, wherein the girl is already doing, I'm already pursuing Sidesco makeup. I will be going to Europe after marriage. What are the job opportunities? So I'll combine these two things now. So see, job opportunities are everywhere. What is your skill set? Okay, ऐसे नहीं है कि आपने Sidesco किया है इसलिए आपको 100% जॉब मिलेगा. बहुत लोग Sidesco कोर्स करते हैं एक सर्टिफिकेट के लिए, एंड आई एम सॉरी बट आई टोटली डिसअग्री टू द आइडिया ऑफ जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम, एक डिग्री कोर्स ये जो ब्यूटी का है फॉर एन सर्टिफिकेट. आई डोंट बिलीव इन टू दिस. आई डोंट फॉलो दैट स्कूल ऑफ थॉट, बिकॉज अगर आप कुछ सब्सटैंशियल कर रहे हो तो वो अच्छा स्किल सेट डेवलप करना, प्रैक्टिस करना, मल्टीपल प्रैक्टिस करके वो मास्टर करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. कोई भी एम्प्लॉयर आपको जब जॉब देगा तो ऐसे नहीं देखेगा हाँ Sidesco सर्टिफिकेट है, कम फ्रॉम टुमारो. नो, दे आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट यू, ट्राई यू, दे आर गोइंग टू वॉच यू, ऑब्जर्व यू एज अ पर्सन, एज अ स्किल्ड पर्सन, योर एटीट्यूड्स, the way you behave with clients. There are a lot of aspects. So Sidesco course grooms you for that. It also depends on the academy. जो academy से आप ये कोर्स करते हो ये उसके ऊपर भी काफ़ी डिपेंड होता है, क्योंकि academy ने आपके ऊपर कितना काम किया है. Yes, that is very 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 important. The academy should also groom you, provided you attend the class regularly, you are sincere enough to attend the class, to attend all the lectures, you become a world class product after Sidesco. So world is, just a playground for you, and if you are really good with your skills, if you are really good with your attitude and your mindset and all, any country, any cruise line will invite you for jobs. So please don't keep that hitch in the mind कि मुझे job मिलेगी क्या. job बहुत है. People are looking for more for attitudes than skill. So start working on more on your attitude, your mindset, your soft skills, lot of things. All right. So 2 questions I answered about Sidesco career opportunities. Now there is very interesting question, और ये बहुत एक interesting career है. जो लोगों को सलोन इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है but they don't want to work like massagist, they don't want to work like a makeup artist या pedicurist, hair stylist, तो एक बहुत अच्छी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिसको कहते हैं सलोन मैनेजर्स. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इन थिंग. छोटे से लेके बड़े सलोन्स तक ये ओपनिंग्स रहती है सलोन मैनेजर्स की, एंड इट इज़ गुड फॉर पीपल. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि ये जो प्रोफेशन है इसमें मैं अभी 25 ईयर्स से काम कर रही हूँ. आई एम 43. एक सर्टन एज लिमिट के बाद योर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स गिविंग अप ऑन दैट इंटेंस वर्क विच नीड्स लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, जिसमें बहुत एफर्ट लगता है. लाइक मे बी वेन यू आर टूवर्ड्स 45-50, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी टायरिंग जॉब. मतलब इट एक्चुअली टास्क, इट्स अ बॉडीली टास्क. मसाजेस करना, आप मेकअप के लिए भी जाते हो, सुबह उठते हो, बैग्स कैरी करना, ट्रैवलिंग. So becoming a makeup artist या beautician या hairdresser is a very very challenging job. It's not that easy, though it looks very glamorous. So after some time, when you people give up on your salons, when you give up on your jobs, salon manager is a very very good job opportunity for you people. So I am saying कि at a very matured and ripe age, wherein you understand people, where you know a little bit of leadership, when you know salon services also, I think with some course, एक छोटा सा management का course करके 15 days 1 month का, you can become a salon manager. And salon manager को part time salary 8 to 10,000 से लेके 40-45,000 तक salaries है, depending on which brand you work with. If you're working with a very top end spa brand या salon brand, there are very good salaries, 45-50,000 तक salaries है. To add to that, if you are an MBA, if you have very good communication skills, like your English is good, आपकी command हिंदी पे अच्छी है, या जो भी local language आप जहाँ पे भी job कर रहे हो, local language पे अच्छी है, तो you will always be preferred as a salon manager. Okay, so salon management, spa management पे एक video already हमारा YouTube पे है, please do watch that. Alright, it guides you on how to go for that course, how to apply, and what all opportunities you will have. Alright, so let me go to the next question. Next question is by an air hostess who has just lost her job because of pandemic. She says the airline is no more wanting to hire us and I am completely out of job, no income. But beauty field, aviation, being creative, you know, a glamour field ki mujhe zyada, I get attracted more towards it. What are the threats for beauty industry? I don't want to come into beauty industry and then think कि अरे इसमें भी बहुत सारे threats हैं. So now answering to this lady who was an air hostess. See, we haven't met, so I really don't know what your interests are. But definitely, salon industry को pandemic में भी बहुत threat था. Salons काफी दिन बंद थे, आपको पता होगा, because it's a touch industry. So touch industry जितनी है उतनी कम थी. पैंडमिक के बाद तुरंत वर्क होने वाली. अभी भी पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग आउट वेर एवर देर आर लॉट ऑफ टच पॉइंट्स, मॉल्स हो, थिएटर्स हो, यू नो, टू इवन इफ यू गो टू शॉपिंग एरियाज, चेंजिंग अलाउड नहीं है, ट्रायल्स अलाउड नहीं है. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट यूर इंडस्ट्री इज बीन हैम्पर्ड, देयर लॉट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री विच इज हैम्पर्ड. बट स्टिल आई टेल यू, ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री इज मोर ऑफ अ शॉक प्रूफ इंडस्ट्री, क्योंकि 2008-9 में मैंने विटनेस किया था. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ आईटी इंडस्ट्रियल बहुत डाउनफॉल था. बट वी वर मेकिंग गुड बिजनेस बिकॉज ब्राइडल्स थे, क्लाइंट्स आ रहे थे, यू नो, रेगुलर क्लाइंट्स हमारे जो जॉब भी उनके लूज हो गए थे, फिर भी उनके जो मंथली सर्विसेज है वो करने के लिए तो लोग आ ही रहे थे. सो दैट वॉज 2008. But this is 2021, almost 12 to 13 years में beauty industry is like the blue ocean. बहुत सारे अच्छे strong contenders हैं, lot of competitors you have, and no business in the world right now is without competition. Everywhere there is competition. So to thrive and survive, my answer to you would be, don't just focus on one income. Okay, you already have aviation का experience, so I would say कि join some industry, join some teaching you know, line wherein they can train you on training people in aviation. या image consulting है, because in aviation they give lot of training on image consulting and all also. तो वो एक आपके लिए career opportunity है. With that you choose a beauty career, learn beauty, learn hair, learn nails, learn makeup. Don't just focus on one niche. अभी सबसे बड़ा ये इंडस्ट्री का ब्लंडर हो या वट एवर, पीपल आर चूजिंग देयर वेज. Few want to be just nail technicians, few want to be just hairdressers. But my request to everybody is, you need more income sources, because अगर ऐसे pandemics आते हैं या कोई problem आ जाता है, you cannot survive and thrive on one income. Okay, so if you are a just makeup artist, hair stylist, then जब wedding season नहीं है, you don't have work. Okay, there are so many good makeup artists. Pula itself has hundreds and thousands of good makeup artists. आप कहाँ survive होगे? So you need good training. You know, your success starts with good education, coaching, Coaching is one-on-one, not just training in a group. Then you mastering that with lot of practice, creating your portfolio, big portfolio, and then going into the market. This is the step for every skill industry. Even if you are a nail technician, आपको ये करना पड़ेगा. So to cut the answer short, just make sure now you don't just leave the aviation industry and then go to beauty and don't look like no looking back at aviation. Don't do that. So try to pursue 2-3 parallel careers, you know, learning a foreign language or something, whatever is your choice, but try to get income from 2-3 sources. So again ये आपको problem नहीं कभी होगा in case some downfall happens with the choice of industry you're going to choose now. All right, so coming to few of our courses and then coming to the questions what I have. As I said, we are an international school for Sidesco. We are also affiliated to City and Guilds UK. So उनके भी courses हमारे इधर hair dressing और makeup के हैं. We offer basically 2 main important diplomas, makeup diplomas, which is 4 months to 8 months. All right, if you want more information, you can contact the course counselors at our place. They will guide you what is good for you and you can pick and choose. Then we have very good courses on aromatherapy, clinical aromatherapy. And myself, I'm a aromatherapy postgraduate from Sidesco 2002. And aromatherapy is something which is coming up as an alternative therapy. So you can treat psychosomatic disorders से लेके थोड़े बहुत physical disorders like arthritis है, rheumatism है, gout है. There are almost 180 problems covered in the master's diploma of Sidesco aromatherapy, and you can otherwise also learn clinical aromatherapy with us. So that is one. Then as I said, management is one good diploma wherein आपका income आपको थोड़ा बढ़ाना है with your salon income, and as a manager you can pursue a management diploma. Then coming to skin, as I said, Sidesco ये skin की exam है. Sidesco offers 3 to 4 different modules in skin. Okay, you will have to come down. We will have to make you understand कि ये 3 modules क्या है. अभी उनके और 2 facial modules भी announce हो गए हैं. Manual facial एक module है and one is with electrical treatments. So almost 5 modules are available for skin and body therapy. So just visit the academy. आपको ये डिटेल में पता चलेगा what is your choice. आपको बॉडी थेरेपी में काम करने में इंटरेस्ट है, आपको जस्ट ब्यूटी में काम करना है. समटाइम्स यू विल रियलाइज दैट यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन ब्यूटी. आपका पैशन तो मेकअप है या आपका पैशन हेयर ड्रेसिंग है. सो यू नीड टू सिट, you need to analyze because there are variety of options available for the career. Okay, I will go to next few questions. How much is the demand for the Indian style of makeup abroad? ये एक बहुत इंडियन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का ऐसे होता है कि कोर्स करते हैं, देन दे ट्रैवल विद देयर हस्बैंड्स या दे गेट अ चांस टू ट्रैवल. But the question was asking this, the girl was asking me a question. I have met her in person and her question was कि ये foreigners जो रहते हैं उनको इंडियन ड्रेसिंग अच्छा लगता है. See, this is again a trap. इंडियन ड्रेसिंग अच्छा लगता है इंडिया में आने के बाद या अगर फॉरेन कंट्री में कोई इंडियन वेडिंग हो तो ही. Okay, so you have to be master of lot of things. Though Indian makeup, Indian bridals is welcomed all over the world, you need to know lot of skill sets. It's not just Indian bridals which is going to give you the survival ka package. So if you want to work abroad, travel abroad for wedding makeups and all, you need to know lot of things other than just a typical Indian bridal makeup. Okay. Then again few questions on jobs abroad. As I said, it takes a lot of other things just other than skill set. से skill set छोड़ के भी बहुत सारे ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको देखनी पड़ती है. एटीट्यूड, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, योर कमांड ऑन लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश हो, हिंदी हो, एनी लोकल लैंग्वेज. Then is a very important question. How to choose the right institute? They promise something and they don't deliver. Yes, this is a problem with few institutes. Okay, that's why I always say ask for a brochure, which is a complete brochure. और ये brochure क्या बताता है, हम आपको क्या सिखाएंगे. Okay, it's like a promise given to student that we are going to teach you so many things. Second part to this is, आपने तो वो अकेडमी से सिलेबस ले लिया, क्या आप क्लास को रेगुलर जाते हो? I'll tell you, only 20 to 30% students are regular for the class. I'm teaching for last 25 years, so I can speak with lot of authority. 60 to 70% people pay the fees and they are very regularly irregular for the class. So before blaming the institute, before blaming the teacher, make sure कि आप regular class को जा रहे हो. Alright? And take a written thing from them. Watch video testimonials of their students. We have put up lot of video testimonials of our students on YouTube. See their success stories. Student की success stories देखो and then decide कौन सी institute में आपको जाना है. Then there is a question on how do we get CDESCO updates. Nice question. CDESCO releases this link after every 1 or 2 months. Now ये online आता है. It's a printed thing what I have. Okay. It's called as the CDESCO International link and you can check on the CDESCO app. You can download that app or you can check the CDESCO website also, which is www.cedesco.com, and they'll give you all the updates about the latest happenings. I am ready to take few questions which people are watching live and they want to ask. If in case you have any questions, I can take that. I have 3-4 questions to complete. Then there's a very important question and हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा एक controversial question है. एक student से है. She says, why do makeup artists show before and after pictures? So ये थोड़ा सा sensitive answer किसी के लिए हो सकता है, किसी के लिए थोड़ा सा practical answer हो सकता है. So let me put up my thoughts, what I feel. मैं जब before after pictures दिखाती हूँ, because I 100% believe कि एक आर्किटेक्ट हो, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर हो, कुछ भी हो, उन्होंने साइट का बिफोर और आफ्टर पिक्चर दिखाना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट इज द ट्रांजिशन ऑफ योर वर्क व्हाट यू शो. इट इज नथिंग टू शो somebody डाउन एट ऑल. I'll tell you with the experience what I have. Everybody has a different reason and I respect your reason, but my reason to show before and after picture is what level of transition have I created. Skin tone कितना change किया है, how I covered the under eye circles well. I'll tell you what is the client psychology. Lot of my Pula friends who are makeup artists will agree to me. Client आते हैं and client says बहुत light makeup करना है, budget बिल्कुल भी नहीं है and few feel से time भी नहीं है. Okay? But जो result उनको चाहिए, the photos what they show you are the world class Instagram pictures, you know, which are clicked for a portfolio. All right? So all these things are not possible in shorter span, in a very shorter budget and from a unskilled makeup artist. उसके लिए skill लगता है, उसके लिए investment लगती है. You need to invest from your product to your portfolio, to your Instagram marketing, to your Facebook marketing. So everything comes with a cost. Everything comes with lot of time. Everything comes with lot of skill. So the reason behind showing the before and after picture for me is how much skin tone I have changed, how good the eyes were and what I have done to the eyes and the eyebrows, to the framing, how were the lips, how have I balanced that. So that is my reason. It could be different for everybody and I respect those reasons. So I would love to take any questions if you people have on career, on any courses, and thank you for joining in this session. So if I can get few questions, I'm ready. You can type it out. Till then, I'm just searching for some questions around. Do follow my channel on YouTube, which is Kalyani Umrani Education. We keep updating you on different treatments. We will be taking few lectures on makeup, color theory, then machinery used in beauty therapy and body therapy. ऐसे बहुत सारे lectures हम लोग लेने वाले हैं and upload करने वाले हैं. So keep watching our YouTube channel. Do follow me on Instagram, which is Kalyani_Umrani as a regular personal profile. I have Kalyani Umrani Artistry as a makeup profile, and we have Impression International Academy as the activities of academy, because there are a lot of activities going around. So we have 3 different profiles on it. All right. So any questions? Anything you want to share? I would love to interact with you. I just have last 5 minutes to go. It's 2:25 and we end up the session at 2:30. I again want to thank Pula team, Sonia, and the efforts what you guys take behind all these lakhs of ladies, and it's fun being on Pula, and it's so overwhelming to see the work, the way you guys work. I can see Neema Pashankar, hello, Shweta Acharya, Asma, hi Asma, Pallavi, Trupti, Rupali, lovely to see you, all the ladies who I know. Anita, Meenal More, Gitanjali, hi Gitanjali, lovely having you on the Pula Bazaar live. Let me know in the comment box what you would like to learn. We'll create videos for that, we'll upload on YouTube. It can be a very basic question, anything related to hair care, skin care, career, and we would love to answer that. Alright, so I'm just waiting for few questions, or I have 4 minutes to go, and I will just take one more question on opening a salon. So a lot of people do salon courses and they want to open up a salon. So salon open करना दिखने में तो बहुत easy बात है, बट चलाने में बहुत सारा कमिटमेंट चाहिए, वर्क कमिटमेंट, टाइम कमिटमेंट. ओके, इट कैनॉट बी बिकॉज टुडे आई डोंट हैव टाइम, आई कीप इट शट, एंड टुमारो बिकॉज आई हैव टाइम आई कीप इट ओपन फॉर लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन. सो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ टाइम कमिटमेंट, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ वर्ड कमिटमेंट. इवन क्लाइंट अगर अपॉइंटमेंट लेके भी नहीं आते, यू हैव टू, यू नो, द शो मस्ट गो ऑन. देन योर स्किल सेट, what skill set you are selling, what area you are choosing, what are your customer type. Your customer is B, your customer is B plus, A plus. What kind of customers you are dealing, उसके हिसाब से plan your salon. Okay, do you want to cater to only certain class of people? Do you want to cater to only college going girls? Please understand, please analyze, talk to your chartered accountant, talk to a proper lawyer. Get the things about setting up a business right. Your शॉप एक्ट लाइसेंस है, एक हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट का लाइसेंस है, बैंक अकाउंट है, अकाउंटिंग है, एडवर्टाइजिंग, मार्केटिंग, ब्रांडिंग. देर आर ऑलमोस्ट 8 spokes, 7 to 8 spokes to the wheel of business. So whenever you wish to start up a salon या आपको एक स्टूडियो स्टार्ट करना है, there are lot of things which come like a package with all these responsibilities. So just make sure you take an expert और you learn salon and spa management, जिसमें स्टूडियो, मेकअप स्टूडियो मैनेजमेंट भी सिखाया जाता है. एंड आई फील एवरी ब्यूटिशियन जो इंडिविजुअल एंटरप्रेन्योर है, जो अकेले सलोन चलाते हैं, you must do a salon management course. Okay, we have it at the end of the month. It's an online course. I'll be posting on Pula. We have a 99 rupees look and learn course on 16th of March, Mac Masterclass. Last time we had 325 people joining across like multiple continents, like it was US and Maldives, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. So do join us on 16th. And we have a personal makeup class coming at 999 with the recordings available for 2-3 days. So you can watch again, you can watch with your family or your friends. So do contact us for these online courses. We have a digital platform. So whatever course you join, we give you a login and access to the digital platform. और आप वो सारे lectures unlimited देख सकते हैं. So we have makeup courses, we have coloring, Sistine, Sidesco courses. Our Sidesco Spa Management and Development is entirely ready online. So from any part of the world you are watching this, you can give the Sidesco Spa Management Development exam online. You don't have to come to Pune, to our institute. You don't have to go anywhere. So there are a lot of digital packages, digital products we have created, and we are selling that. So if you're interested in making a good career, let us know and we would love to help you. Thank you for joining me today, and do post your questions on this live. I will be, you know, enthusiastically looking for few questions. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Pula, again.